Alright, so here's a Toro 726. Not sure what year it is, but it's pretty old. Great machine. What I did here was this Harbor Freight engine. You got these two wires, one going to this, two yellow wires, one going to this piece, and one coming into the block here. I don't know if you can see it. Where my finger is like this threaded. Looks like almost like a coax connection. But anyhow, take those two wires, disconnect them. There's a quick disconnect. Take them apart, and I wired one wire to one side of that wire going here, one wire to that one. Comes up to the handle. Basically, you hold the handle like this, makes the engine operate. You let go of the handle, the engine shuts off. On, off, on, off. Show you a quick video of how that works. If I could do it with one hand. If I can get the damn thing to start.